Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can share songs from Spotify to our Snapchat. So for that, go to Spotify and here search for the song of your choice and open up that song. And here on the bottom right corner, you will see this option of share. Just click on it, then click on Snapchat, and it will redirect you to Snapchat, and just click on next. Or also you can click on story to add it as your story, or there are different other options. Just align it the way you want it to and click on next, and here you can either select as your story, or and also you can send it personally to different people as per your choice. So that's one way of sharing songs from Spotify to Snapchat. The other way is open up your Spotify, and this time when you click on share, just click on copy link. Sometimes it doesn't redirect you to Snapchat, so in that case just copy this link and open up your Snapchat and then take a snap, and then you will see this option of attachments. Just click on it and then copy your link, click on attach to snap, and it will be attached, and then you can click on next, and then you can share personally or on your story. And that's how you share songs from Spotify to your Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.